So next sum example 2.6, the resistance of the wire is 20 ohm. That will be a new resistance. If the stretched uniformly 8 times, it is the original length. So this is the question. So solution, the first resistance R1 is equal to 20 ohm. The stretched resistance, it has a new resistance. What we have to find? Let the original length L1 be L. We have to consider L. Then the new length, that means L2 is equal to 8 into 1. The uniformly 8 times the original length compare பண்ணும்போது 8 times increase ஆருக்கு. So L2 is equal to 8 into L1. That means L2 is equal to 8L. We have to apply the original resistance. R1 is equal to resistance, the formula for resistance R1 is equal to rho into L1 divided by A1. This is the first equation. So rho is the resistivity of the material. The new resistance R2 is equal to rho into L2 divided by A2. So the rho is equal to L2 value 8 into L. 8L divided by A2. This is the second equation. Through the wire is stretched. It is volume is unchanged. Stretch பண்ணாலும் volume வந்து change ஆகல அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. That means the initial volume is equal to final volume. So for initial volume can formula area into length. So A1 into L2, A1 into L1 is equal to A2 into L2. That means A1 is equal to L into A2 is equal to 8L. So applying the L values. So A1 divided by A2 is equal to 8 divided by L. Okay, both 8L divided by L. So both L will be cancelled. So A1 is equal to A2. That means 8. The equation 2 divided by 1. So equation in 2 divided by 1. So R2 divided by R1 is equal to 8 rho into 8L divided by A2 divided by rho L1 divided by A1. So this equation, this form, rho 8L divided by A2 into denominator, so say upper la poidum. So A1 divided by rho into L1. So L, that means L will be cancelled. A1 into A1 divided by A2, rho will be cancelled. So R2 divided by R1 is equal to A2 divided by A1 into 8. So substituting the value of A2 divided by A1. A2 divided by A1 value 8. So substituting this value. So 8 into 8. 8 are 64. So R2. So R1 value is the given value. So 20. R2 divided by 20 into 64. So நம்ம cross multiple பண்ணும்போது R2 is equal to 64 into 20 ஆயிடும். So R2 is equal to 64 into 20, 1280 ohms. Hence the stretched length of the wire has increased. It is resistance. This is the final answer.